likod po ng stage, andyan po yung principal's office at lahat po ay sa top floor po may mga CRs din po dyan sa baba at taas sa bawat dulo po. Dito rin po ang aming canteen pero medyo maliit po kaya pinalabas ko na rin po para makita po ninyo. Pinalabas ko po yung iba. Yan. So, again, maligayang pagdating po at welcome to Mabilao Elementary School.
Thank you so much, Mom, for the warm welcome. Thanks their talents and creativity today to present the participants from the different schools and districts. Please welcome Dr. Josefa P. Solomon, Principal of the Noy Integrated School. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, sir. To our dignitaries, parents, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. Okay, so as I call your district, you may stand. This is for you may do it so that you will be recognized. So let's start. Okay, participants from Lawak District. So, where are the participants from Lawak District? Kung wala po si District Coordinator ang pumunta sa harap at mag-share. Nasa taas na. Ang mga dignitaries from Lawak District. Thank you. Lawak District. And then we have, how about our participants from Mangaldan 1? Mangaldan 1 District. Ay po sila. Kaway-kaway. May cheer po kayo. Prepared. Okay, then participants from Sampaguan 1, our host district. Oh, nasa na sila? Yeah, pagkatapos natin mag-beach tayo. Before ladies from Sampaguan mo. Oh. Wow, thank you. And last but not the least. Yeah, matago-dago kami. San Jacinto. Okay, so thank you and pleasant morning again.
5464, maaari po bang paki-atras po yung sasakyan dahil mansagi daw po ng damdar. Again. Opo. So may ari po ng sasakyan na may plate number na ALA5464, maaari po bang paki-atras po yung sasakyan, baka daw po masagi ng damdar. Maraming salamat po.
Ay.
And then, let us all welcome Dr. Emalda B. Pagaduan, Head Teacher 3 of Pugo Palau Elementary School. Again, Head Teacher 3 of Pugo Palau Elementary School.
These, the different criteria and guidelines will already be relayed by our respective judges. So number 1, all participants or contestants shall adhere to health and safety protocols, which is very important. Number 2, only the event administrator, technical committee members, judges, official photographers, and participants are allowed to be at the content. Third, the event administrator shall
Thank you so much. Principal 4 of Von Rufino Maloyoyo Central School. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, sir. Wala pa si Ma'am Marie kasi siya nag-introduce sa ano. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, gagawin ko na
Ma'am Mirna L. Peralta, Master Teacher 2 of Alunang National High School. And Sir Sandy R. Aquino, School Principal, Archdiocesan School of San Fabian. For tie-dye and technical composition and singing contest,